I'm Michael Horwitz, and I am your facilitator for the 6 Personal Perspectives course that's coming up in your Market Center. Now, the 6 Personal Perspectives came about from Gary Keller's understanding of what it was that the most successful real estate agents do, not just in Keller Williams, but across the industry. They researched and surveyed 10,000 agents, and they found that these are the behaviors and the mindsets, most important, that those agents exhibit. So what are the 6 personal perspectives? Right? We start with mindset, right? We start with this idea of committing to self-mastery. And then we move on to this idea of mastery, the 80-20 principle, right? Separating the important from the unimportant, from the critical to the less critical, yet equally important. We look at a concept of E to P, entrepreneurial to purposeful. How do we become purposeful in our daily activities? Being learning based, which is one of the reasons you're here and one of the very foundational principles of Keller Williams itself, right? We're a training and coaching and consulting company. We're going to spend time looking at removing limiting beliefs, changing impossible to I'm possible. And how will we do that? And then we're going to wrap up with accountability. And whether we try to hold ourselves accountable or whether we find accountability partners, others to help us be accountable to our commitments. So we will go through each one of these and understand how they impact us, not just in real estate, but how they impact us in our daily lives. How do we move closer to what is truly important to us? In this process, I promise that you will come away with an action plan that will make a difference in your life, it will make a difference in your business, and it will change the way you look at things. And we know that when you change the way you look at things, the things we look at change. I look forward to seeing you there. I encourage you to come ready to participate, to engage, and to come with an open mindset, ready to learn and find out why Mo Anderson said that this is such an important class.